Good day, Dr. Faiz. My name is Guan Min. Today, me and my group mates, Johannes, Aida, Afrina, Zi Kang, and Zi Kang, are going to present about our title, which is Individual Preventive Control Measure Against Pandemic. In this design, we have three kinds of features, which is human body scan temperature, and pump hand sanitizer, and provide the mask. For these three features, it has their own condition, which is in lower than 35, or in between, or higher than 37. This is our schematic design, which we use LCD, LED, motor, servo motor, and also LM35, which is temperature sensor, and we use a buzzer as well.
Hi everyone, my name is Johannes. Today I present about a flowchart, build of material and circuit diagram. First of all, start, check body human temperature, then analyze and scan the temperature. If the body human is less than 37 or equal, it means that pass. The LED shows the green. The buzzer alarm will be off. He needs to pump on the sanitizer on his name. So this is the features that we use, depends on the temperature. Next, flowchart for the coding process. For the coding process, use according to the Arduino. So there's three situation where more than 37, 35, and less than 35 degrees Celsius. After that, at the end, all goes to set and initialize the parameter into the input. So this coding, it keeps looping, keeps repeat. Next, bill of material. So this is the bill of material that we use to our project. So overall total costing cost is 220 ringgit 70 cent. So bill of two is almost the same. Yeah, actually it's the same, but to make it more clearly, there's a field and property. And circuit diagram, as you can see, this is our circuit diagram they use to simulate our project. Include the device list and label section A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You can see it one by one for the sections. This is the condition where you can see the status when there's an invalid object, pass, and fail. That's it for me. Thank you.
Dr. Faiz, now I will present about the coding and the simulation. The coding is attached inside our report, and then after I compiling the coding, and then I copy the location of the file, and I paste it inside our design. At the first running, there will show like 11 or some other value which is not related. This is because the system are still running. After 2 seconds, it will show the current temperature, which is 34, and it will show invalid object. LED red is on, and then motor doesn't move, so motor doesn't move. After the temperature is within 35 and 37, like 36, the LED green will on, and then the servo motor will move, but the motor does not provide the mass as well. This is because the condition we set inside the program. And then for another one, which is when it's over 37, which is the people who have a higher temperature, we will show the field, and then LED red is on. The motor will on and provide the mask. The servo motor will on as well to provide the hand sanitizer. The buzzer will on as well. That's all for my presentation. I will pass it to Zi Kang. Thank you.
A very good day to sir and my fellow friends. Now I'm going to start my part, which is the 3D designs. So first of all, this is roughly a 3D design for our project. So this is the front look, and I would like to explain a bit from the left to the right of this design. So basically these blue blocks will be the container which fills in the face mask. And there's a motor slot 1 and slot 2. He will be putting the motor to roll the face mask out from the container. So next will be the green and the red LED. Green will represent the pass, which means the target pass, and the red will be the invalid object, which is below 35 or above 37 degrees Celsius. So this red color will be the temperature sensor, which sends the target's temperature, and this will be the LED slot, putting the 16 times 2 LED screen, while this is the buzzer, where the buzzer will be activate when only invalid object is detected. So this will be the hand sanitizer compressor paired with the IR sensor. This IR sensor, when the target hand approach, the IR sensor can sense, and the hand sanitizer compressor dispenser will spread up the hand sanitizer to the component for the target. So behind will be two column. The yellow one will be putting the hardware object, such as the Arduino and all this stuff, while the white one will be the hand sanitizer bottle. For the blue color is the servo motor. The servo motor is to press the hand sanitizer out from the bottle. So this is basically a 3D design and build from me.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Aida Afrina binti Hazli. So I will explain features in this project. In this microcontroller application that can help to fight COVID-19 pandemic, there are 4 features that we highlighted. The first feature is hand sanitizer. Before using a mask, clean hands with hand sanitizer or soap and water. Second features, providing a mask. Wearing a mask will help prevent the spread of infection. Third features, human body scan temperature. For normal person, temperature should be around 36.5 to 37.5 degrees Celsius, while people in fever is more than 37.5 or 38.3 degrees Celsius. Fourth features, alarm notification, where we install buzzer to notify the premise owner to not allow those with high temperature going in. There are 7 steps to prevent COVID-19. First, wash your hand frequently. Next, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Third, cover your cough using the bend of your elbow or a tissue. Fourth, avoid crowded places and close contact with anyone that has fever or cough. Fifth, stay at home if you feel unwell. Sixth, if you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early. 7. Get information from trusted source. Thank you.
Hello doctor, my name is Zi Kang. So today I would like to present about the limitation, future improvement, and also the recommendation of the project. So first of all is the limitation of the project. A continuous power supply is needed in the project. This is because when there is not a power supply, the project will force to be terminated. The second point will be heavy in weight. This is because the project need to store a large quantity of the hand sanitizer and also the face mask to provide a sufficient content. So the last point will be the manual checking of the project. This is because there is not an automatic refill system to maintain the condition of the project. So the future improvement of the project, the GSM technology and sensor can be used in the project. For example, the sensor can detect the level of the hand sanitizer, so the GSM technology can send a message to the user or us to refill the system. So the second point will be the solar technology to provide a power supply. So an automatic refill system same as the GSM technology. And last one will be the information tracker of the project. So the application can help the system to store and save the data of the user, for example, the period of the user used the project. So the last will be the recommendation of the project. So first, the product can be located with the height of 1 meter from the ground. This is because the content of hand sanitizer may be damaged to the user or the children when they are touch their eyes. So second point will be the parent need to accompany with their children who under age of the 12 years old and available to store in some public area, for example, 99 Speed Mart and also the 7-Eleven. And the last point will be the installation of battery power supply to maintain the power supply of the project. So that's all for me. Thank you for listening. So I would like to pass to the next presenter to present their side. Thank you.